Why bring your foreign or domestic car or truck to Fallston Auto Service? Because Bonnie, Garland, and Beauty care about the safe functioning of your vehicle. From choosing the correct tires, providing wheel alignment and balancing, to fixing your air conditioning on a hot summer day, the team at Fallston Auto Service delivers honest and reliable service. They want to gain your trust and become your go-to repair service for all your repair needs. As a Maryland inspection station, they'll inspect your vehicle and correct any flaws, conduct diagnostic testing, and always provide you with an affordable preventative maintenance plan customized to fit your car or truck. So, whether you need brake service, general auto maintenance, a new battery, or wiper blades, rest assured, here at Fallston Auto Service, we'll be waiting for you and offering honesty for a lifetime. Call and schedule your appointment today. 410-879-1876.